Hello everyone, today we will do stretching, and if you want a good stretch, like that, I will show you now some exercises which help you to do that. So stay with me and we will get started. So first what you're starting to do, you get seated in this position, take our right leg near the left, take our shoulders on the floor, hug our leg and stretch back leg. So still in this pose. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we slowly take our hand and take in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And pushing down our leg, still in our split. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking back leg and stretch our feet more for ourselves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I will show you some harder exercise, and if you can do that, you have a good stretch. So I will take my left leg and pushing it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take two legs together and we will slowly have relax in these exercises. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that we will doing another element. Like that. And I will say you goodbye. Follow me, text me likes, and have a nice day.